Students, welcome to my YouTube channels 6 to 8 Academy. First of all, today we are talking about the 11 chapters. This is the first video for you, triangle and its property. It is the starting for this channel 6 to 8 academies, and today's we are talking about the triangle and its property. So first of all, what is the triangle? If you know what is the triangle, so simply close the curve made of the three line segment is called the triangles. Everyone know कि when the three lines join, so we can say that the triangles. किस फॉर्म में होगा? सो कर्व मेड में, यानी कि जब भी हम ट्रायंगल बात करेंगे तो वो तीन सिंपल क्लोज कर्व में अगर जुड़े हुए हैं, वो भी कौन सी? लाइन सेगमेंट. अब आपके मन में आएगा कि सर लाइन सेगमेंट क्या है? लाइन सेगमेंट का मतलब ये होता है आपके कि व्हेन द टू एंड पॉइंट्स इट्स कॉल्ड द लाइन सेगमेंट्स. सो ऐसे तीन ऐसे लाइन होंगे जो आपस में जुड़ेंगे, दैट द फॉर्म ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स. So you see that the a triangle is a simple closed curve made of the three line segment, and you can see this figure A B C is a usually three vertex. Now tell me, what is the vertex? If someone asks the what is the vertex, you can say that the answer, a vertex is a point where two or more lines or line segment meet. मतलब वो ऐसा वर्टेक्स का वो पॉइंट जहाँ पे दो या दो से अधिक बिंदु आकर मिलती हैं, उस बिंदु को ही हम वर्टेक्स कहते हैं. क्लियर? नाउ ए बी सी इज रिटन एज अ ट्रायंगल ए बी सी. वन थिंग्स मोर, इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट द ट्रायंगल्स, तो सम ऑफ द ट्रायंगल इज 180 डिग्री, यानी कि एंगल ए, एंगल बी, एंगल सी इज इक्वल टू द 180 डिग्री. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, रिटन इन द बुक्स ए बी सी इज रिटन एज a triangle ABC. It is the three sides AB, BC, CA. It is a three angles triangle, angle BAC, comma angle ABC, comma angle ACB. It is a three vertex. You know vertex. This is the joining two lines. So A and B and C is the vertex. Thus the triangle is three sides and three angles, and all the three sides or all the three angles are called six element. इट मीन्स जब हम दोनों को जोड़ेंगे तो दिस इज द सिक्स एलिमेंट ऑफ द ट्रायंगल ए बी सी ई. इन द above द फिगर लुक एट vertex A and is the point of the intersection of the side AB. So now we are talking about the next point, how many types of triangles. तो बेसिस ऑफ साइड की बात करेंगे. अगर बेसिस ऑफ द साइड की बात करेंगे, फर्स्ट इज द स्केलन ट्रायंगल. डू यू नो स्केलन ट्रायंगल्स? स्केलन ट्रायंगल इट मीन्स कि all sides are not equal, so you can say that the scalene triangles. Yani if all the side of the triangle are unequal, it is called the scalene triangle. So in the adjoining diagram, you can see diagram AB is suppose that 7 centimeter, and next one is a 8 centimeter, and third one is 5 centimeter. So all side are not equal, so we can say that the scalene triangle. Now second, when we talk about the isosceles triangles. Isosceles triangles, it means two sides are equals, that's called the isosceles triangle. If any two sides of the triangle are equal, it is called the isosceles triangle. In the adjoining the diagram AB is equal to AC, so triangle ABC is the isosceles triangle. Usually equal sides indicate by putting the mark on the each them. So next one, third one is equilateral triangle. If all the three sides of triangle are equal, it is called on the equilateral triangle. In adjoining diagram AB is equal to BC and BC is equal to AC. यानी कि सिंपली नेम से आप पहचान सकते हैं इक्वी मतलब बराबर, यानी ऑल साइड आर इक्वल्स, वी कैन से दैट द इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल्स. नाउ अब हम बात करेंगे टाइप्स ऑफ एंगल्स ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ टाइप ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ एंगल्स के बारे में हम बात करेंगे. एंगल्स से कितने हम निकाल सकते हैं उसके. पहला एक्यूट एंगल ट्रायंगल. एक्यूट मतलब लेस देन 90 डिग्री, ठीक है. और फिर एक होता है राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल्स. सो एक्यूट एंगल ट्रायंगल, इफ ऑल द थ्री साइड्स ऑफ ट्रायंगल आर इक्विट लेस देन 90 डिग्री, इट इज कॉल्ड द एक्विट एंगल ट्रायंगल. यू कैन सी दिस फिगर एंड ईच एंगल्स इज लेस देन 90 डिग्री, ठीक है ना. And next one is a right angle triangle. You know it is equal to 90 degree, it is called the right angle triangles. Or always remember, when they talk about the right angle triangle, in the opposite side, remember hypotenuse बोला जाता है उसको, hypotenuse कहते हैं, ठीक है. So third one is obtuse angle triangles. If one angles of a triangle is obtuse, it when we talk about the obtuse, we can say that the above the 90 degrees. Okay, now to obtuse angle triangle, it is a 90 above the 90 degree, greater than the 90 degree. And median of triangle, median means कि two equal parts. ओके, कोई भी लाइन है उस पर अगर दो इक्वल पार्ट्स हो रहे हैं उसी को मीडियन कहते हैं, ठीक है ना, दो हिस्सों में अगर डिवाइड कर रहा है. द लाइन सेगमेंट ज्वाइनिंग अ वर्टेक्स ऑफ ट्रायंगल इन मिड पॉइंट ऑफ द अपोजिट साइड इज कॉल्ड द मीडियन ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स. इन द एडज्वाइनिंग द डायग्राम AD इज द मीडियन फ्रॉम A एंड साइड BC. You can see AD is the median, what, BC. Okay, so when you see BD is equal to the DC, यानी कि ये साइड DC के बराबर BD है. So we can say that it is a median point. Now altitude it means 90 degrees. Altitude means मतलब कहीं से भी आपका क्या आ जाए, आपका लाइन एक अगर सीधी आ रही है रेखा, उसी को हम कहते हैं क्या, एल्टीट्यूड कहते हैं. द परपेंडिकुलर लाइन होना चाहिए बस 90 डिग्री. मीन्स द परपेंडिकुलर लाइन सेगमेंट फ्रॉम वर्टेक्स ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल टू द अपोजिट साइड इज कॉल्ड द एल्टीट्यूड ऑफ द ट्रायंगल्स. नाउ एडजॉइनिंग AD इज द एल्टीट्यूड A to the side BC and triangle has the three sides. Now we are going to the exercise 11.1. This is the introduction parts. So next हमारा 11.1 in a chapter we are talking about these questions. Now this is the first question in the adjoining the figure. First of all, you can see this figure PQR. So first question is given, name the vertex opposite sides PQ. So what is PQ is the opposite side, this one is given R, so your answer should R. Now next question is the name the sides of opposite to vertex Q. So Q, where is Q? Here. So vertex this one and this one, यानी कि this one is a PR, so you can write here PR. Okay, now next one is angle opposite to the sides QR. Name the angles opposite to side QR is equal to angle QR के एंगल अपोजिट क्या है, तो एंगल P. योर आंसर इज P. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज, सॉरी फॉर दैट, QR के एंगल में आपके क्या है, हाँ राइट, P, राइट, यू कैन राइट R आल्सो. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज एंगल नेम द साइड अपोजिट टू द R. तो अपोजिट R के क्या है, तो यू कैन राइट PQ. ठीक है, सो दिस क्वेश्चन इज क्लियर. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज क्वेश्चन, look at the figure given the below, classify each triangle according to its, and they on the basis of sides, on the basis of angles. So you know कि हमने अभी पढ़ा है just before कि अगर आपके तीनों साइड इक्वल है, if the all side are equal, तो what's we can say that if the all side are equal it is a equilateral. If the all side are unequal we can say that is scalene. If the two side are equal, so isosceles. Here is given first 6 7 7. So what is this? So this is the isosceles triangles. Which triangles? You can write here isosceles triangles. Okay, now second one 10 8 6, it is a scalene triangle. Now third one is PQR, it is the all side are equal, you can say that the equilateral triangle. Fourth one is isosceles triangles, because two sides 7 is equal, two sides are equal but third side are different, so we can say that the equilateral triangles, isosceles triangles. Here is all side are different, so you cannot write here scalene triangle. What? Scalene triangle. And here is two side are equal, so you can say that what? You can say that the equilateral. No, yeah, isosceles. Very good, because two side are equal we can say that the isosceles. Yes, right. So next one is next one on the basis of side. अब नेक्स्ट वन क्वेश्चन कह रहा है ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ एंगल्स. सो अगर आपका इस तरह से एंगल हो तो याद रखिएगा दिस इज कॉल्ड द एक्यूट एंगल्स. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? एक्यूट एंगल ट्रायंगल्स. एक्यूट एंगल ट्रायंगल. दिस वन इज द राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल. This one is the acute and this one is the obtuse. This one is the obtuse, and this one is the right angles, right angle triangles. So this question is clear. If you doubt, you can comment on the on sorry for that. Next question, question number 3rd. In the adjoining figure, adjoining triangle PQR, if D is the midpoint of QR, then PM is what? PM is what? You know, PM is the altitude. What? PM is a altitude, right? For that, PM is a altitude, and PQ is the median. But when you talk about the QM equal to MR, ये कह रहे QM, it is saying to the QM equal to the MR. It is a possible? No. Possible what? QD is equal to DR. It is a possible, but not possible QM is equal to MR. Getting or not? So you can write here, no, it is not possible QM MR. What is the possible? You know very well. So next question given, will an altitude always lie the interior of triangle? If no, तो draw the sketch. आपका आंसर क्या होगा इसमें? You can say that no. What say that? No. You can use this no. Of figure, how can find the figure? So you cannot draw this line. If you draw this line, these triangles, this is the altitude. But when they draw this median, so A, B, C, D. This is the triangle ADC. You can also these triangles, and this is the exterior. But here is a question say, will an altitude always lie interior? So it is a not interior, it is the exterior. So it is a wrong statement. So you can say that no. And this is the rough case. So next question is, can you think of a triangle in which two altitude of the triangle are its side? If yes, draw. तो इस case this such case, such this the sketch. So your answer is yes. Yes, it is a right angled triangles. ठीक है ना? So you can make a figure. Okay, so this is the right angle triangle. You can write here AB perpendicular. This line is the perpendicular. Draw this BC, and BC perpendicular AB. Now your 5th question is solved. Now next one question number 6. Here is given, draw the rough sketch for the following triangle ABC. B is the median of the triangle. यहाँ आप सिर्फ यहाँ पर आपको सिर्फ ड्रॉ करना है. So you can draw the line. First we can take a got it. Now you can this line A B C. This is E. You can draw this line, and you can write some line E, and triangle ABC BE is the median of the triangle. ठीक है. So B is the median. This is the question clear. Now second one question, what say? Second question say, in triangle PQR, PQ and PR is the altitude of the triangle. So you can draw this line also. So this line is the perpendicular. Okay, P, Q and R. This is the second question. You can say that the sorry for that. This is the P. P is the altitude, and also P is the triangle altitude of the triangles. So you can write here So you can write here PQ and PR altitude. ठीक है, triangle triangle P is a 90 degree. You can write also triangle P is equal to 90 degree. So this question is solved. Now third one question, what is given? So question is given in XYZ, YL is the altitude and exterior. आपको ये बाहर की तरफ निकालना है, ठीक है ना, यानी कि एक्सटीरियर बोले तो आउटसाइड. Okay, got it? No, this is not figure correct. Right. Now this line is first XYZ, right? XYZ. So you cannot exterior lines, you cannot draw this line. This line is the 90 degree. So this line is the what? L. So you can say that the YL is what? It is the exterior of triangles. So you can write here triangle XYZ, YL is the altitude in the exterior of the triangle. YL is a altitude on what? ZX. Clear? Now this question I think clear. Now last one question, your question number 7. Take the equilateral triangle, draw the median and the altitude. Check that the median of altitude is same. So simple. When we talk about the equilateral triangle, you know all sides are equal. So you cannot draw this line. You cannot draw this line. This draw line. This draw line. This draw line. So you can F, write them E, B, D and C and A. It is a figure of question number 7. So you can write here triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle, right? So AD, B and CF. Where is? So CF, ठीक है, you can write here CF and CF are altitude of the triangles. So this one are, and this is the divided the side into two equal parts. So this one is called the equilateral triangle and altitude also median of the triangles. So you can align here written for, so you can say that altitude are also the median of the triangles. So thank you so much for this video, and I hope you like this video. Thank you so much.